Okay, so you're going to need to clone my Git repository for the next project, because I think it's very likely I may need to update the project as you're working on it, and Git will let me do that. So if you're on a Mac, you should use the other video. If you're on a PC, first install Git for Windows. So search for Git for Windows, and the top link is this git-scm.com. So you can click there. And you can go ahead and download either one of these Git for Windows setup files, or you could download a portable one if you know what you're doing. Otherwise, download one of these two. If you're not sure which, do the 64-bit version. And go ahead and run the installer. All of the default settings are fine, so you can just click through. And when you're done, if you go down to your search bar, you should be able to type git, and you should see something that says git bash and git command. So go ahead and select git bash. Obviously, pause the video and do the installation right now. It looks like this. You can test to make sure Git has worked by typing git in the command prompt, and you should see something that looks like this. If you don't, you should send me an email right away. Okay, so we will not be using Git on the command line here, even though it's way cool and the right thing to do. Instead, we're going to be using it within IntelliJ. So the next thing to do is go ahead and open IntelliJ. Hit Shift twice in a row, and type git path. Remember, the word path refers to the sequence of folders that lead to something on your hard drive. So git path is about telling IntelliJ where on your hard drive Git is located so that it can use the Git tools. So go ahead and click on path to Git executable. And with any luck, it will have auto-detected the Git executable like it did for me. Oops. Oh, well, that's not good. Okay, cool. It has re-auto-detected it. So if you installed it in the default expected location, this should happen. It should detect where Git was. Otherwise, you can do this. Go back and reopen the bash terminal here and type which git. Nope, that was not the right one, sorry. Where git. And it should give you a path here, C drive, program files, git, command, git.exe. And you'll notice that that's the same path that IntelliJ has auto-detected here. C drive, program files, git, command, git.exe. But if yours is not auto-detecting, you can see where Git is located here, and then you can click on this folder, and you can navigate to the place where you expect Git to be. The last thing you should do is hit test, and when you hit test, it should tell you what your Git version here is. And if it doesn't, then something's gone wrong, and you should email me.